This is my book. My parents wrote the testimonial for me. 春天了 My dearest daughter, you and your book are like a spark, lightening the way forward, and warming the hearts of every reader. Your words carry the power to enlighten others. May your creation be embraced by more people, have a far-reaching impact, and shine brightly as a guiding beacon. We are proud of you, and we hope you continue to move further on this path, creating a glorious legacy that inspires others and writing chapters of greatness along the way. With all my love and pride, your dad and mom. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom. I love you.